Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your LaserPod 2.0 so that you can start using it for those day-to-day repairs. It's extremely simple. Let me show you how it goes. Today I wanted to show you a quick unboxing of the LaserPod 2.0. When you first open it, you'll notice that you've got some glass lenses, some safety glasses, and a power cord. I'm going to firmly grab here on the side of the insulation and we'll lift. It's quite heavy, but it'll come up and off. Now we'll do the same here. Open the lid a little bit and we'll lift. And it'll come out. Setup at this point is extremely simple. We'll simply open up the door, insert a glass, we'll plug in a power cord at the back, and the machine is set up and ready to go. You'll need a phone, obviously with a cracked back, and the stencil designed for that particular model. We'll set the phone inside the stencil, open up the door, and close it up. You'll notice that apart from the start and stop button, we've got this little dial that has 3 settings. The number 1 setting is going to be your slowest setting. The number 2 will be faster, and the number 3 will be the fastest. The number 3 sits at just over 6 minutes of runtime, and the number 1 is going to be around 24 minutes or so. The reason that we have different settings here is because the way that colors interact with light is unique to each color. Darker colors absorb light more than brighter colors, and colors that absorb light more inherently burn quicker. So my recommendation, if you are removing the back glass of a white phone or a lighter phone, use the number 1. It will take longer, but you'll have a better burn. If you're doing black phone or space gray phone, the number 3 will be your best bet and it'll be a lot quicker. If you've got a phone that's color is in the middle of that spectrum, the number 2 would be the one to go with. So red being a slightly darker, but maybe not all the way dark phone, I'm going to go with the number 2 on this one. I'm going to turn the machine back on and we'll hit start. You'll notice that the machine lights up, and one thing to note, if I open up the door even just a little bit, the machine shuts off. There is a safety switch up at the top here that prevents the machine from working unless the door is all the way closed on the 2.0. Once the purple light shuts off, I'll know that the program has run all the way and it'll be ready for glass removal. We're going to let that run and I'm going to show you what's next. Alright, so it just turned off something around the 17-18 minute mark. Go ahead and turn it off. Let's take a look inside and see what's happened. And as you can see, we can see all of the adhesive around the border. This is going to make for easier removal, which I'm going to show you in the next video. As you've just seen, it's extremely simple to set up right out of the box. It really is a simple plug and play machine as intended. That was our purpose in creating these LaserPods, was to provide a quick and non-complicated way to getting these back glass repairs done. I will be showing in another video how I actually remove the back glass and adhere a new one with all the tips and tricks to making it look nice and clean. Thanks a ton for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.